Good, good morning, dear students. Okay, good morning. Welcome to online class. Okay, how are you, all of you? I hope all are fine. Okay, today we are going to discuss about third lesson, chapter 3, playing with the numbers. Okay, all of you, your attention should be whiteboard only. Okay, dear students, your attention should be whiteboard only. Today we will start new lesson. Which lesson that is? Playing with numbers. Okay, and already we discussed which lesson we discussed? Whole numbers. Already we discussed whole numbers. Then what is whole number and what is natural number, and we discussed which is the lowest, means which is the smallest whole number and which is the smallest natural number. Also we discussed, and properties of whole number. Then what is the properties of whole number? Tell me. Okay. Tell me, Shanta, tell me properties of whole numbers. First one is commutative property, otherwise closure property, commutative property. Next one, associative property, and next one, these are the belongs to addition and multiplication. We are telling there addition of closure property, addition and multiplication of commutative property, addition and multiplication of associative property. Another one, distributive property. Another one is distributive property. Already we discussed it. Then identity of addition, identity of multiplication. Already this everything we discussed. Okay. Now let us discuss today's class, playing with numbers. We should play with numbers. Play with numbers means you have to solve the numbers with play. For example, you should play with problems. Then you have to solve that. Because look at here, 2 into 0. You should play with 2 into 0. Then you should find the answer. 2 into 0, always answer 0. Any number you should multiply with a 0, the answer is always 0. Remember that. Then 2 into 1, the answer is 2 into 1, 2 only. Then 1 into 2, this is also 2 only. Then 1 is the identity of multiplication. We are asking which is the identity of multiplication. Then 1 is the identity of multiplication. It is very important point. Okay, remember. Then which is the identity of addition? 0. 0 is the identity of addition. Okay. Now let us discuss playing with numbers. In this number we are going to discuss first one. First point, factors. What is that? Factors. Already factors all of you studied 5th standard. What is factors? And you solved so many problems on a factors. Okay. Then factors means what? Then what is factor number? Okay. Then what is a factor number? Remember, dear students, now I am going to discuss with some problems. Here I wrote 4. Which number is completely divisible by 4? You have to search it. Because you should by heart the tables. Tables is very important. Which number is completely divisible by 4? Completely divisible by means that remainder should be 0. You have to divide with 4. You take, sir, 2's table have 4. Then 2 is completely divisible by 4. You have to think it. Then 2's table have 4 or not? Yes, 2's table have 4. Then which is a 2? Which is a 4? 2's 4. Then it is 0. What is the name of 0? Sir, this is what is the name of 0? 0. It is called reminder. We want reminder should be 0 means that number is completely divided. Okay, then what is the name of 2? It is quotient. What is that? Quotient. Okay. Then what is the name of 2? It is a divisor. What is that? Divisor. And what is the name of 4? Dividend. Because already this one discussed in 3rd standard, 4th standard, because it is very important. These are the different names. What is the name of 2? What is the name of this 2? And what is the name of 4? And what is the name of 0? 0 we call reminder, 2 we call quotient, and this 2 we call divisor, and it is dividend. It is very important. We want reminder always 0 means that number is completely divided that given number. Okay. Then now we are going to discuss factors. I am going to discuss with you factors. Okay. Then you should remember the 4 is which number divided completely? 2 is completely divisible by 4. Yes. Then we are calling 2 is the factor of 4. Because what is factor means which number is completely divisible by 4, that numbers we call factors of 4. Remember, then sir, 2 is completely divisible by 4 means 4 have 2 also factors. Then you have to search again. Again you have to search. Sir, here 4 I wrote means 1's table all of you know. Yes or no? You have no 1's table? Yes. 1's table have 4 or not? Yes, 1 1's 1, 1 2's 2, 1 3's 3, 1 4's 4. Yes. Sir, 1's table also have 4. Then you have to write here 1 4's 4. Then here also remainder is 0. Then before that I am going to ask one question. Then what is division? What is division? Division is a repeated to subtraction. Because it is quick method. Subtraction is longest method, but division is fastest method. Okay, that's why we are calling division is a repeated to subtraction. And what is multiplication? You know that already. Multiplication is a repeated to addition. Okay, remember. 1 also have 4 means 1 also completely divisible by 4. That's why 1 also factors of 4. 1 also factors of 4. Sir, 1 also factors of 4, sir, because 1 also completely divisible by 4. That remainder is 0. Then again you have to search. Again you have to search. Then you have to search again. 3's table have 4. 3 is completely divisible by 4? No. Yes. Absolutely. 3's table not have 4. That's why 3 is not a factor of 4. Then go to the next point. Next table. Then you have to search. 4's table have 4 or not? Yes, 4's table have 4. That's why you have to write here 4 which is the 4. Yes, sir, 4 1's 4. Then remainder here also 0. Remember, now you have to define. Now you have to define what is factor. Sir, factor which number is completely divisible by given number. That numbers we call factors of that number. This is the definition. Remember, then you have to think. Then sir, tell me, the 4 have how many factors? Sir, 4 have total 1, 2, again 9, 4. Only 4 have how many factors? 3 factors. Okay, because 2 also have 4. 1's table also have 4. Then 4's also have 4. Okay. This method you have to use and you have to search the factors of given number. Okay. Next example I am going to discuss quickly. Okay. Then now tell me the 4 have how many factors? 4 have 3 factors. Tell me these are 1, 2 and 1, 2 and 4. These are the factors of 4. Examples again. 24. 24 the given number. Find the factors of 24. Find the factors of 24. This is the given problem. It is 1 marks question. It is very important. It is 1 marks question. Find the factors of 24. Then how to find? First you have to search one by one. Yes, you know tables means you have to do every time. You don't do the division every time because you have to calculate in your mind. You should calculate in your mind only because sir you have to think 1's table have 24 or not sir? Yes sir, 1's table have. What which is the 24? Yes sir, what the 24 sir? Then you have to write this type 1 into 24 is equal to 24. At a time we get 2 factors. This time you wrote means at a time we get 2 factors. One is 1's and another one is 24. Because 1's table also have 24 and 24 also have 24. Yes or no? That's why 1's table also have 24, 24's table also have 24. That's why at a time we get 2 factors of 24. One is 1 and the one is 24. Okay, then go to the next table. Yes, you have to think 2's table have or not. 2's table have 24. Yes sir. 2 10's are 20 sir. Then 2 10's are not completed tables. Again is there. Okay. Then 2 11's are 22. 2 12's are how much? 2 12's are 24. That's why 2 into 12 is equal to 24. Remember 2 into 12. 12 2's are 24. Remember dear students, at a time you get again 2 factors. Okay. 12's table have also 24 and 2's also have 24 because 12 2's 24, 2 12's also 24. Okay, remember. Then again go to the next table. Okay, again go to the next table and 3's table have 24 or not? You have to think. 3's table you should count it fast. 3's table have yes 3 which is the 3 8's okay 3 8's how much 24. Okay dear students, here also at a time we get 2 factors again. 3 8's 24, 8 3's also 24. Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay. 3 8's 24, 8 3's also 24. Okay, you have to think how many factors we got here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 factors. Again is there. You have to think. Next 3's table is completed. Then you have to think it 4's table have or not. Yes, 4's table also have. Then 4 which is a tell me 4 1's 4, 4 2's 8, 4 3's 12, 4 4's 16, 4 5's 20, 4 6's 24 sir. 4's table also have 24 sir. Then 4 which is 4 into 6 is equal to 4 6's 24. Again we got 2 factors. 4's table also have 24 and 6's table also have 24. Dear students, you have to think. Again you should come to this side. Again is there. So many are there. Okay. then 4 table also have 24, 6 also have 24, 6 4 also 24, 4 6 also 24. Okay, sir, then 6 is completely divisible by 24, sir? Yes, absolutely completely divisible by 24 because 6 table have 24. Then come to the next table, you have to search it. 4 and 5 have 24 or not? 5 4 20, sir. 5 5 25 is there, sir. 24 is not there, sir. That's why 5 is not completely divisible by 24, means 5 is not factor of the 24. Then come to the next. 6 already we got 6 because 6 table have. 7 not have. 8 have. 8 already we got. 12 24. Okay, then the factors of 24 is, okay, then tell me 1 2 3 4 6 8 12 and 24. Okay, the factors is always, remember dear students, what I am going to discuss with you. This time we wrote means we have to easily find the factors of the given number. Then you have to think the factors of 24 is, how many are there? Total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Then you have to think 24 have how many factors? Sir, 24 have total 8 factors have. Understand? I hope all are understand that one. Okay. The next point we are going to discuss now. Okay. But one thing you have to remember in your mind always, which is the factor of all number. Each and every number have that factor. Which is that? 1. 1 is the factor of all number. Remember this point is very important point. 1 is the factor of every number. 1 is the factor of every number. This is very important point. We are asking in your examination which is the factor of all number. Then you have to tell, sir, 1 is the factor of every number. Remember that one. Okay. And next one is every number is a factor of itself. Factor of itself. Okay. Next one point. Every factor is less than or equal to the given number. These are points are very important, dear students. First one point, 1 is the factor of every number. Yes, it is clear. 1 is the factor of every number means 1's table have every number. You have to count 1's table means, sir, it is infinity, sir. So many are there, sir. Sir, you count your hairs means, sir, how it is possible, sir? So many hairs are there, sir. It is not possible, sir. Then you count your teeth means, sir, it is very easy, sir, because our teeth are less, sir. Easily we have to count, sir. But it is not possible to count our hairs. That's why numbers are so many numbers are there. Numbers, infinity numbers are there, because that's why 1's table has so many. It is uncountable, infinity is there. That's why 1 is the factor of every number. Remember, dear students, 1 is the factor of every number. Okay, every number is a factor of itself. Yes, every number is a factor of itself. Example, because look at here. Okay, I wrote here 24. Remember, I wrote here 24. Find the factors of 24 means, sir, 24 also have factor of 24. Yes or no? 24 also have factor of 24 only. Yes or no? That is, every number is a factor of itself. Remember, dear student, because another one is that every factor is less than or equal to the given number. Every factor is, because 24, find the factors of 24 means the factors of 24 is less than 24 or equal to 24. It is not above than 24. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, 24 ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಗಳು ಏನಿರ್ತಾವಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರ 24 ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರ ಲೆಸ್ಸರ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ, ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಬಟ್ 24 ಗಿಂತ ಹೈ ಇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. That's why we are writing here every factor is less than or equal to the given number. Because I given here 24 means you have to write here, sir, 24 have how many factors means 24, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. Then which is the last factor? Sir, last factor is 24, sir. Then equal to 24. Then again, then 1 is there. Yes, every number have the factor of every number is 1. It is very important point. Remember, all of you write down these points. And next point. Next problems. Okay, example 6 have how many factors? You should think your mind. Only you have to think it your mind only. Okay, 6 have 1, sir, 2, 3 and 6. Because I am going to show you here 1 is the factor of every number and the given number is factor of itself only. Then the given number is 6. See, the factors of 6 is equal to 6 or less than 6 only is there. Okay, above than 6 is not there. Okay, then next one is 10. Then find the factors of 10. Okay, then 6. The factors of 10 is first one 1, because 1 you wrote or not wrote means 1 is the factor of every number. Then 2, 3s are half, no. 4s are half, no. Then 5s are yes, 6s are not, 7s are not, 8s are not, 9s are not, 10s are. Yes. Then 10 have how many factors? 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then come to the next 15. Okay. Then 15 have how many factors? 15 have how many factors? Yes, sir. 15 have 1, sir. 3s also have, sir. 5s also have, sir. And 15s also have. Okay, it is very important. Okay, I will give you some examples. I will give you some numbers you have to find and you have to send my WhatsApp number. Okay, then okay, I will write down this one. And HW, I will give you some numbers you should find. Okay, find the factors of following. Find the factors of following. First one 28, second one 48, third one 60 and fourth one 100. Okay, these 4 numbers, your factors you should find out, send to my WhatsApp number. It is your homework. Okay. Next point we are going to discuss now. Next point we are going to discuss. Okay. Now we have completed factors. Now we are going to discuss about multiples. Factors and multiples. These are the 1 point and 2 face. Okay. 1 point. One is the back and another one is the front face. This type factors and multiples are 1 point, 2 face. Okay. I completed factors. Now, then what is multiples? What is the multiples? First you have to, what number they are given here? What is that number? 6. Okay, what is example first one? Find the multiples of 6. This is the given. Factors are one. What is the difference between multiples and factors? Means one difference is there. Sir, factors are uncountable. Is it true? No. Factors are countable, multiples are uncountable. Okay. Remember how it is possible. Now I am going to show you. Find the multiples of 6 means the given number is 6. You have to use the numbers. You have to use countable numbers. Multiply with the 6. You have to use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 uncountable. You have to use that numbers, then multiply with given number. That product is called multiples of 6. Then how to find? How to write it? 6 into 1 is equal to 6. Then 6 into 2 is equal to 12. 6 into 3 is equal to 18. 6 into 4 is equal to 24. What is that in this type calling? Sir, it is uncountable, sir. Okay, you should multiply with the given number into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 uncountable numbers. That product is called multiples of 6. Then the multiples of 6 means we are writing therefore 6 is equal to 6 1 the 6, 12, 18, 24, then 30, 36, dash 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 dash. Dash dash means it is uncountable. Remember dear students, multiples are uncountable. Then how to find the multiples means we should write, sir, the given number is 6, sir. You have to multiply with the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so many are there. You should count. That product is called multiples of 6. Then one thing you have to remember, find the multiples of 6 means I wrote here 6 1 the 6, 6 2 the 12, 6 3 the 18, 6 4 the 24. Uncountable are there, more than are there, so many are there. Okay. Then the 6 table you should count. That product is called multiples of that number. Okay. Then again one example I am going to discuss. Okay. Next one example. Find the multiples of find the first 5 multiples of 4. This time they are given problem. This time they are giving find the first 5 multiples only, because multiples are so many. It is uncountable means they are given this type, we should find the first 5 multiples means we should first 5 means 5 into 1 sir, how much? 5 comma 5 into 2 sir, 10. 5 into 3 is equal to 15. 5 into 4 is equal to 20. 5 into 5 is equal to 25. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are equal only 5. Already we find out that. Okay. Then the multiples of 4 is, first one, multiples of 4 they are given. Okay, we wrote here 5. 5. Okay, then you have to change the, find the first 5 multiples of 5. We should write here. Then 5 is, okay. Then 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. These are the multiples of 5. Okay, remember dear student, this type you have to solve the problems. Okay, next point we are going to discuss now. Okay, next one, these points are very important. Every multiples of a number, every multiples of a number is greater than or equal to that number. Okay, I already discussed it. Every multiples of a number is greater than or equal to that number, because factors are what? Sir, the factors are equal to that number or less than that number. But multiples are greater than or equal to that number. Yes or no? Because we find here 6 means the multiples of 6 means, sir, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24. Okay, this is the multiple. The given number, every multiples of a number is greater than. Yes, 6 is given number, the 12 is greater number, 18 also greater number, 24 also greater number, or equal to that number. Okay, it is not a less that number. Okay, remember that. And every number is, second point, every number is a multiples of itself. This is very important point. Every number is a multiples of itself. Okay. Yes. Factors also factors of itself, and multiples also multiples of itself. It's very important. Okay. These things are very important. Now let us discuss some questions. Okay. Now dear students, now I am going to finish my class. I am going to ask some questions. You have to answer that. Tomorrow we will discuss prime number and composite numbers. Okay.